Hi there, I'm Jess and I'm excited to show you what is included in the brand design toolkit. So let's dive in. So these are the 5 main elements that are part of the brand design kit, and I'm going to walk through each one so you can see what's inside. So the first one is the logo design kit, and there's a few pages at the beginning that are going to walk you through what's included and how to use this file. But basically all of the logos in this kit have 3 logo options with them. So it's the main logo, a secondary one, which is a different layout for when the main logo doesn't quite fit in the space, and then a mark, which is a small design element that complements your brand. So the first section is simple logos. These are just using editable fonts. They're going to be the easiest for you to edit and make your own. So just going to click through here so you can see a few of these options, but there are a ton. And then we have a second section later in this document called advanced logos. These ones use custom or hand-drawn words or elements in them, so they're a little bit more difficult to edit, and you might need to look around a little bit to find the word that fits in your logo, but we do have some handwritten words included later on in the document, as well as just some hand-drawn elements, and you can use any of these as part of your logo if you'd like. So now let's take a look at the color palette builder. So this, I'm just going to open it up in thumbnail view because it's easiest to view this way. It actually has a ton of informational slides at the beginning that just explain color to you in a really easy to understand way and give you a color blueprint to work within, and then some blank templates if you want to start from scratch. But the best part of this is the starter palettes. So they're organized by season, and it'll allow you to go in, pick out what your season is, and then see 5 palettes that are inspired that you can use as a starting point. So this is all editable in here. You can go ahead in and you can edit all of these colors to be different if you want. So you can paste your own images in and edit this as you'd like, but it gives you sort of a starting point so you are not starting from scratch. Okay, the next guide is the font playbook. So just like the others, it has a few pages in the beginning that give you a little overview of fonts, give you a font blueprint to work within of how to think about your fonts, and then tips on choosing and pairing. And then we actually go into all of the different types of font jobs and explain a little bit about how they're used in designs. The go-to font section is all of our favorite premium and free fonts for all of the different font jobs. We have starter pairings in here, which allow you to just start, sort of like pick a template and start from it, and then you can edit these fonts, but you don't have to start from scratch. And then links and resources of where you can buy fonts, some of our favorite resources, and a glossary of some type words just to help you out along the way. We also have our stock photo resources, so this includes both free resources and paid resources, just our favorite spots to get both photo and video. And then our brand guide template. So this is going to be a template that you can use to put all of your brand color, fonts, mood board, etc. all in one place. This helps you keep everything straight, but it also allows you to share with other vendors or businesses that you might be working with. And then we also provide a blank version of this. So if you don't want our sort of colored version that already has some fonts in there, you can use the blank version as well. Okay, that's it. We'd love to know if you have any questions about anything included in the brand design toolkit. You can go ahead and shoot us an email at hi@heyhello.studio, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.